But he always scares me.
But you know what? Paul Bunyan is a really nice guy. He's just really big. Nobody likes him because he's just too big. He probably doesn't have any friends. Don't you feel bad for him?
Oh.
He's got a friend. He's got Babe the Blue Ox.
Oh, true. He has one friend at least.
Baby Blue Lock.
Where are you going? Baby on a mission? Uh-oh. Where are you going, girlies?
Where are you going?
Where are you going? I'm watching you.
Smash, smash.
She's really smart with moving up and downstairs, though. She goes backwards. Like she did that out when she left Mike's house. Hey. Hey, Eves. Hi, sweetheart.
Hey, Chris, I watched it.
Hey, what?
Watched it. Do your middle camera.
Yep, I gotta. I told everybody I would. So they could see how multi-talented you are. Woo! Does he have a real hula hoop? Nice, Jagger. You're pretty good at that. What is that thing?
I'll show you what is it.
What is it?
See? You see this?
Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's a tunnel. That's really cool.
And this is going to be really big tunnel.
Maybe once you're going.
Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Wait, use your
There she goes. She's fearless.
Use
Here he goes.
your video camera with it, okay?
Yep, I'm watching you right now. And then I'll show you when I'm done. Woo! Cool.
Can I see?
Yep, here. Look down that end, and I'll get you on here. Go on the other end, I'll see if I can see you. There you are! Oh, here she comes.
Hey.
Come on. Oh, one at a time, Jagger.